In the jungle, let's explore the greatness of each animal. In the jungle, which animal is the biggest? I heard you say elephant. In the jungle, which animal is the tallest? I heard you say giraffe. In the jungle, which animal is the wisest? I heard you say fox. In the jungle, which animal is the fastest? I heard you say cheetahs. Among all these wonderful qualities mentioned, where is the lion in the picture? Yet you say the lion is the king of the jungle even without any of these qualities. Because the lion is courageous, very bold, always ready to face any challenges, no matter how big or bad. The lion walks with confidence, dares anything, and is never afraid. The lion has charisma. The lion believes he is unstoppable, a risk-taker, believes any animal is food for him, any opportunity worth a try. So what is it that we get to learn from the lion? You don't need to be the fastest, wisest, or the smartest. You don't need general acceptance to achieve your dreams. All you need is courage, boldness, the will to try, and the faith to believe it is possible. Face the terrible, face it boldly.